Hello tubers, Mescal here. I'm sieving some gravel to get some different grades of gravel to try a patina effect that I've seen on this awesome Japanese watchmaker. I'll put a link in the description. So yeah, I just want a couple of different grades of gravel so that I can do this thing. Follow along, come and see what we're doing. This is the finest stuff that went straight through the sieves. Probably going to be the grade I'm after. Okay, now I'll float all the floaties out of that and rinse off any mud. Okay, and now we can reveal what we're actually trying to do here. So, the container that's empty on the bottom gets filled up and then poured. And as you can see, gravel comes down with it. This was from 3 shots before. I'll get you a good close-up on that. This was completely black and tarnished, or fire scale tarnished. Zoom in, you can see that little hammered pitted metal mark in the middle there. I'll just keep doing some more of this and give you an idea of the kind of effect that it gives. I think it would be important to get a bit of height about it too, because the higher it is, the more gravity assists you in speed blasting the surface. So I've got 2 different grades of gravel to try. I think the other one might block up the hole. And there you can see we've pretty quickly changed the appearance of that. Let's see if the big pieces work. I've had to take the constriction off, and we'll do that on the back of the spoon so that we get an example of the 2 different patinas that it will give. I haven't got my method down, have I? It's a finger over the bottom there as we fill it up. That's the way to do it. That's cool. There's thousands of tiny little dings in the surface. So that, if you remember what it looked like when we started, it was covered in red fire scale, and you can see the patina that it's given it. It looks a bit more frosty to my eyes than you can see on the camera there, and if we flip it over we can see the effect that the large stones had, and it really is exactly what I saw the watchmaker do to give a finish to his watch. It was a machined face and it was all polished smooth, and then he did this little trick with a bucket and water thing, and I thought, what's he done there? I couldn't find any information about it. I thought, well, surely it's just sieved gravel and some water in a little cup. So yeah, there's a neat little trick for anyone that wants to add a sort of a fine grained patina, and you can play around with different stones or even doing both on the same surface. I like it. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe.